In this video, I'll show you how to change the Binance graph. First, open the Binance app or go to the Binance website and log in to your account. Once you are inside your account, go to the market or trading page where the price chart is displayed. On the Binance app, you can tap Markets, search for the coin you want to view, and then open its trading pair. For example, you can search for Bitcoin and open BTC/USDT. On the Binance website, you can go to Trade, then choose Spot, and select the trading pair you want to check. When the chart opens, you will see the current price movement on the screen. This is the Binance graph, also called the price chart. You can change how it looks depending on what information you want to see. To change the time interval, look for options such as 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, or 1 week. Tapping or clicking one of these options changes how each candle or chart point is displayed. For example, if you choose 1 hour, each candle represents 1 hour of price movement. Next, you can change the chart type. Depending on the version of Binance you are using, you may see options for candlestick chart, line chart, or depth chart. A candlestick chart shows more detailed price movement, while a line chart gives a simpler view. The depth chart shows buy and sell orders in the market. You can also add or remove indicators. Look for an option called Indicators, Technical Indicators, or a small settings icon near the chart. Common indicators include moving averages, volume, RSI, and MACD. Tap the indicator you want to add, and it will appear on the graph. If you want to adjust the chart appearance, open the chart settings. From there, you may be able to change colors, grid lines, price labels, candle style, and other display options. On mobile, you can usually rotate your phone sideways to view the graph in full screen mode. This gives you more space to analyze the chart clearly. After making your changes, the Binance graph will update automatically, so you can view the market in the style that works best for you. And that's how you change the Binance graph. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.